Hey, just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now it is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have about, I think I have about a few of these left. So once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a scary monster face, one of many on the channel. So let's get started. It's only going to take about 7 minutes, so just stick around for the entire thing and you will have a brand new skill. All right, let's get started, okay? First thing is, definitely hit the like button if you like this, if you love Halloween. Also, if you love how to draw Halloween, hit the subscribe. The subscribe is always going to be good. It'll let you know when I post, like usually I post every season, so let's get started. One right here, I'm going to go in. And I'm going to go in this other way. Curve down. Curve down. It's going to be kind of squinty, kind of angry. Line here. And line here. I'll make it like one of those scary things you see in dark. Line over here. Line over here. Curve line in, up. Curve line in, up. Line here like so. The circle like so over here. Gonna give it a little bit of a highlight. And I'm gonna fill in the rest of it. Same thing on this side, a little bit of highlight, fill in the rest of this side. Line here, up, 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 up. Line over here. Curve this direction for kind of the nasal area. Line over here. Line over here. And we're going to kind of look more at it now, and I'm going to be like, okay, what is it that I want to do? And I think I'm going to draw a big smile over here. Big smile over here, because that's the end. I'm going to go smile to smile. I'm going to pull down. Curve up here. Going to draw just triangular shapes for the teeth. And I'm going to try to vary up the sizes. And I'm going to kind of pull it all the way across. I'm going to pull like a tongue down here. I'm going to follow that tongue all the way back, making it thicker as it goes toward the mouth. Curve here. Gonna find the bottom of the mouth over here on this side. And I'm gonna pull teeth upward, and it's really just these triangular shapes. Pulling a line up. Pulling a line up here. I'm going to fill this and this in because that's the back of the mouth. And I think it's a good idea to fill that area in. Like so. Fill in over here as well. here as well. Just gonna fill it in all the way. Filling it all the way to the edge. Pulling these lines. I'm gonna go over here to the bottom, curve to kind of show the opening of the mouth. Over here on this side as well. And now a lot of what's left over is detail, meaning there's thinner lines. So for example, I can pull thinner lines pinching up right here along his mouth as he smiles or roars. Pulling a line over here maybe, like here. Curve over here. A lot of it's going to be just these little dashes of stuff. I can throw a little, and they're always thinner lines. Thinner lines are detail, right? Because thicker lines are more primary, you know, drawing. See these thin lines around the lip, maybe giving them like a lip type almost. Just kind of wrapping these thin lines around there and kind of, you know, same thing here. You can do the same thing at the top. Something about him looks kind of aquatic. I don't know what it is. Gonna pull it along the edge here, thin. So the thin is so that the audience doesn't, or the audience, well, the viewer doesn't look too carefully at them. They're just they're things that add on, and they go, oh, cool, like that's cool detail, right? It's not, it doesn't capture the eye immediately. It captures it secondarily, which is the point. Maybe right here as well, you can throw some thin lines along the tongue here that make it seem more tangible and, you know, cool to do. Filling in this because there's going to be kind of a shadow. Not that hard though. I'm throwing a little bit of a cast shadow from the teeth onto the tongue. I can even throw little lines on the teeth themselves, like thin lines. And that just gives it a more layer of believability that it wouldn't otherwise. Same thing over here. You can draw like more along the folds on the side of the mouth. And you can just kind of keep going like that. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that scary monster face. Do me a huge favor and click that like. Also, do me a huge favor and check out the stuff in the description. There's a lot of stuff that is going to help you out. And go pick up one of those art books. All right? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. And I want you to do one thing. And what is that? I say it every video. Stay what? Stay spooky. All right. See you later.